how to turn off or on microphone permission on create shoppable videos on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click this three lines here and then click settings and then click permission. Now wait few seconds, scroll down until you find here microphone, and here we'll find it the third one here, create shoppable videos. You can turn it on or off just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.